Hey guys, Shy, and I'm back with another review. Check this out. I got this 2020 Silverado. You know I have the Silverado, so I love it. And I just want to go around it and let you guys see how nice it is. It's really nice. It looks good. I think it has the backup camera. The guy said I can go ahead and review it. So here we go. Let's have at it. Yeah, that's nice. I like it. That's nice. These are, I'm not sure, these are 20s, these are 19 inches, yep. Now you have a Silverado series, got the chrome down on there. That's nice, guys. Windows. I'm gonna go, look here. No lift or nothing, you know, spectacular. He's got this. You guys see how he got the spoiler up here? That's nice, that spoiler. I wish mine had that. He's got his, yep, he's got his, okay, this is 4x4. This is it. I like how they got the white inside there instead of that carpet type material stuff. And of course, you know how it goes. Tail lights. And of course, he's got the step right here. Step. And he's got a deep lip spoiler back here as well. It's nice, guys. The inside is pretty much basically like mine on the inside. Everything's pretty much standard. Just regular seats. Don't have the leather. And of course, you know, the fins. You got the fins, the breathing right here. Fins. It's chrome. Got those lights. It's nice lights. I like the way those lights go, guys. Even got the hooks, guys. Toe ring hooks. This is the 2020 Chevy Silverado. Yeah, that's the 2020 Silverado. In all white, guys. All white. All white. It's nice. Looks nice, guys. What do you think? Get down in the comment section and tell me what you think about it. Alright? Alright, guys. Get down in the comments below. Tell me what you think about this 2020 Silverado. It's really nice. Looks good. I might even get me one. I might now. But I mean, I will in the future. I definitely will, but it probably won't be a 2020. It'll be a 20, whatever year that is. So, and I'm sure if they got them looking like this in advance, they'll probably look a lot better in the future. So, if you guys are new to the channel, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, thumbs up, ring the bell, share every video. If you ring the bell, that means that every time I do a video, it'll come to you, it'll come buzz you on your phone, let you know I'm doing another video. Also, if you're just browsing, just share and like and give a comment. But if you already 67th gang, you already know what to do. Guys, hit it. So you guys need to start sharing and liking as well and ringing the bells. Well, you already ring the bells, so just share and like, okay? Alright guys, and with that being said and done, I'm out. That's it.